good morning, traders. Good morning. Today's reminder is a simple one, guys. And if you haven't done so already, just remember you need to stop over trading. Your success depends on it, guys. Just stop. Make your money for the day and call it quits. That's all you need to do to be consistent. That's all you need to be successful. If you can just take control over your emotions and wanting to do more and more and more and more, you will be successful if you can just stop over trading. Trading is very emotional. It can be very, very emotional, especially when things are not going your way. So you just need to understand that when things are going your way and you've closed everything out, just stop, and that's all. Be efficient, be effective, execute, 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 and I'll see you guys on the next one.
More money, more money! Ah, all very exciting.